Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is produced step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
This rich, dark cocoa liquor is the base, the essential building block for virtually all chocolate.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is produced, through free pens, from start to finish.